All right, Harbor Freight just released the updated parking lot sale flyer like they typically do, the digital release of the flyer, and they add more items to it. So if you happen to pick up a flyer during these last few weeks when the stores were passing them out, so they added more items to it. And I'm going to go over in this video the exact items that they did add to the flyer. So that way it takes out the guesswork as far as what they added. And again, the parking lot sale does start on Monday, March 2nd for ITC members through March 5th. Everyone else saves on March 6th through the 8th. And to be an Inside Track Club member, it's $30 a year, or you can go into the stores and opt to get the 2-year plan for $45, which is a way better deal versus the 1-year plan. And I will be sure to put a link down in the description below that goes directly to the parking lot sale flyer. That way you can check it out online and go over all the details of the sale. I'm going to start off with the first item. It's going to be on the Bauer 6-inch bench grinder. It does have a 2.1 amp motor. It's rated at 3,450 RPM. It has dual spark shields to it, and it has LED lights as well. This bench grinder does normally retail at $50. You're going to be able to save 20% on that, making it $40. The next item they added is the Bauer 3 amp variable speed oscillating multi-tool. It is rated at 11,000 to 25,000 oscillatings per minute. It has 3 degrees of oscillation and tool-free blade change. It also includes a LED light, which is at the front of the tool itself. This normally retails at $45, but you'll be able to save 22% on that, making it $35. And next up is the Bauer 50-foot 360-degree cross-line laser level. So it is 50 feet. It is a red laser, and it does say it has an accuracy of plus or minus 3/16 of an inch at 33 feet. So that is pretty decent. So you're able to do a laser line going around a room, as well as looks like a vertical line as well. This is their top of the line laser for Bauer. It is normally priced at $100, but you save $20 on that, making it $80. And they did add a deal on the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with the wood top. It is available in the, I think, 3 different colors of the red, black, and blue. Actually, it's available in 4 different colors, which is the white, blue, red, and black. And it normally retails at $359. So you'll be able to save $60 on that, making it $300. I'm going to interrupt this video for this video sponsor, Huffsco e-bikes. Quick pit stop, because even tool guys need horsepower. This is the Huffsco Alpha e-bike. And yes, it hauls more than just groceries. This thing cruises, climbs, and lets me show up to tool deals without breaking a sweat. I did a full, honest review on this e-bike with no fluff, real world use, so check that video out if you want the deep dive. I'll have links in the description and pinned comment. And if you're ready to ride, hit Huffsco's website and use my code DIY100 and knock $100 off your Alpha. Thank you, Huffsco, for sponsoring this video. Less gas, more torque. Now let's get back to the tool deals. And they did add a Quinn torque wrench, which is the 1/2-inch drive. That's good from 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque range. It is a 24-inch long one, and they have that normally priced at $80. So you'll be able to save 25% on that, making it $60. And they did add the Pittsburgh 301-piece mechanics tool set. So it has many different pieces of the 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive sockets. It even includes some wrenches, screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, pliers, even an adjustable wrench. It does come in a storage case as well. And these are all the number of different sockets and parts it does come with. So definitely a wide range of assortment of tools there. And it does normally retail at $200. So you'll be able to save $30 on that, making it $170. And the next item they added is on the Hardy disposable gloves in the 9mm thickness ones. So they're extreme duty nitrile gloves, and they do normally retail at $17. So the parking lot sale price is going to be $7.98. That's saving 53%. It's an awesome deal on these. So they're going to have multiple gloves on sale during this parking lot sale instead of just the one, which the one they had originally on the flyer was the 7mm thick ones that are normally priced at $14. And those are going to be priced at $6.98. That's saving 50%. And the other gloves that they did add is on the 5mm thick ones that are normally priced at $12. And you'll be able to save 50% on those, making it $6. It's an awesome deal on these. So definitely have different options there of the 5mm, 7mm, and 9mm ones. Great deals, so it would be the time to stock up. I know some of you do that during the parking lot sales, so it is an excellent deal on them. All right, the next item they added was the Warrior security bit set. It's a 100-piece set total, so many different varieties of security bit options there. It also includes 2 socket adapters as well, and 96 insert bits. So it does come with the hard plastic case to store everything in on the 1/4 inch shank. It is normally priced at 10 bucks. So you'd be able to save 20% on that, making it $8. So something like this, I would actually recommend waiting until a 30% off deal that they might do in here in the future. But we'll have to see the next time they do that. But if you have immediate need, it's good to save 20% on it. And they also have a deal on the 5-piece Hercules #2 Phillips bits set that are impact rated. They're normally priced at 7 bucks, and you'll be able to save 43% on those, making it $4. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video. Also, be sure to subscribe for more deal videos like this I do in the future. Let's move on to the next deal now. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump that's ideal for changing oil, siphoning gas, and more. So it comes with all these parts to it, as well as the hoses. It normally retails for 8 bucks, so you'll be able to save 50% on that, making it $4. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit. It's a 240-piece assortment. It comes with 12 different sizes at 20 pieces each. Well, right now it's on an instant savings deal of 13 bucks, which is 27% off. It normally does retail at $18, which based on the $18 price, you're going to be able to save 38% on that, making it $11. And they did add a deal on the Predator 2 horsepower earth auger. It's a 52cc gas powered one. It offers 45 pounds of torque, 320 RPM, and it comes with a 6-inch auger bit. It also is equipped with an easy view fuel tank as well. It does normally retail at 230 bucks, so you'll be able to save $50 on that, making it 180. And the next item they added is on the 3/4 by 100-foot Greenwood hose. It does normally retail at 38 bucks, and you'll be able to save 21% on that, making it 30. And the next item they did add is on the pressure washer quick connect set. It's a 4-piece set, so you're able to outfit your power washer with the quick connect fittings. That would be for the hose as well as the garden hose itself. This is something I do highly recommend adding to any power washer that doesn't have the quick connect fittings to it. It does retail at $15, and the deal price is going to be $8.49, which is saving 43%. This is going to be a good deal on this. I do recommend picking one up. And the next deal is on the Ultra Bright Work Light flashlight. It does normally retail at $1.79, and you'll be able to save 45% on that, making it 98 cents. This is one of the lights that they do offer free periodically throughout the year. All right, the next item they added was on the 8 1/4 inch bypass hand pruners. So if you have some pruning to do, might be able to pick these up for a decent deal. They are normally priced at 13 bucks, and you can save 30% on that, making it $9. And they even added the Voyager 12-inch wide tool bag. It does come with 15 inside pockets and 6 outside pockets. It's rated at 24-pound capacity. It's constructed of a durable polyester, and it normally retails at $8. So you can save 50% on this bag, and it's only going to be $4. And the next deal they added is on the Gordon folding lock back utility knife. So you're able to store easily, and it does have a clip to it as well. It's normally priced at 7 bucks, and you can save 29% on that, making it $5. And the next deal they added is on the Union 24-gun fire-resistant electronic safe. This is one of their biggest safes that they do offer. This is what it looks like on the inside, holding some rifles. It does have the electronic keypad, and also offers keys too for keyed entry. It does normally retail at 630 bucks, and you'll be able to save $100 on that, making it $530. And they did add a deal on the Pittsburgh 9-piece Wobble socket extension set. It offers 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive Wobble extensions. Does normally retail at $17. And how about saving 41% on that, making it only 10 bucks. And they did add the 3-piece detail brush set that offers steel, brass, and nylon brushes. So you can do different cleaning tasks with that. It's normally priced at $2.29, and you can save 34% on that, making it $1.49. And they did add another detail brush set. So if the other one is too small or you need more pieces, they have this one here. It's a 6-piece detail brush set. Again, it's going to be in the steel, brass, and nylon bristles, but it comes with the smaller ones as well as the larger ones with offset handles for better access. It's normally priced at 3 bucks, and you can save 33% on that, making it only $2. And they did add another Avanti handheld paint and stain sprayer. This one's rated at 14 gallons per hour for thinned paint and stain. It does have 40% higher pressure, easy adjustable spray splatter, and it does come equipped with a 48-ounce cup. This HVLP sprayer normally retails at 120 bucks, so you can save $30 on that, making it $90. And don't forget they do have the other deal on the other handheld paint sprayer for 35 bucks. That's saving 50%. This is what they look like side by side. And they did add a couple generators to the mix as well. And they have this Predator 9,000 watt portable generator. It is gas only. It does offer a 13-hour runtime, and it's only 78 decibels. It's rated at 7,250 running watts. And it does offer also electric start. It is normally retail price at $800, and you can save $100 on that, making it only 700 bucks. Another generator they added is on the Predator 6,500 watt one, and it's rated at 5,500 running watt, 14.5 hour runtime. It's 74 decibels. It also includes a low oil shutdown. It does normally retail at 650 bucks, and you'll be able to save $150 on that, making it only 500 bucks. And the next two generators they don't have on display here at the store, so I'll just go over them here on the flyer. And the one is the 4,550 watt open frame inverter generator with the CO secure technology. It's going to be only 500 bucks, saving 180. And the other one is the 4375 watt gas powered portable generator. It's going to be saving 100 bucks on that, making it only $380. And the other thing they added was on the disposable blue shop towels. You're going to be able to save 34% on that, making it only $2.29. It's normally priced at $349. And they even have a deal on the Hallmaster 9-inch replacement cart tire. It is rated at 300-pound load capacity. It does include an adapter kit as well, and it normally retails at $28. And you can save 28% on that, making it only 20 bucks. And they have a deal on the 7'4" by 9'6" blue 4mm thick tarp. It is normally priced at $4.99, which currently it's right now on a instant savings price of only $4. But it's gonna be a better deal during the parking lot sale where you save 40% on that, making it only $3. The next item is on the Central Pneumatic 20-piece basic air compressor starter kit. So it comes with male and female quick connect plugs, as well as quick connect couplers and the hose and the dual head tire chuck. Well, at this store, it's currently on clearance for $17, but it does normally retail at $17.99. So you'll be able to save 27% on that, making it 13 bucks. And if you're in need of a new breaker bar, they added the Pittsburgh half-inch drive 18-inch breaker bar. This one does come with a lifetime warranty, just like the other Pittsburgh tools. It does normally retail at $14.99, and you'll be able to save 40% on that, making it only 9 bucks. And if you need some hose clamps, they added a couple different options. So they have this 20-piece hose clamp assortment that does include these different sizes to it. And this one normally retails for $6.99, and you'll be able to save 28% on that, making it only 5 bucks. And then the other option that they included in the same deal is on the 40-piece set, which are smaller sizes, and these are the sizes that it does include. That's going to be the same price as it normally retails for 7 bucks. And again, you'll be able to save the 28%, making it only $5. And they even added a couple stool options. So they have this one by Pittsburgh. It's 350-pound rated biker style pneumatic seat. It does raise from 21 inches to 28.5-inch seat height, and the seat does swivel 360 degrees, and it does come with the 2-inch caster wheels. It does normally retail at 110 bucks, and you'll be able to save $30 on that, making it only $80. And the other seat option they added is on the Icon one, which is 300-pound rated professional shop seat with a 19-inch tool storage base to it. The seat does adjust from 17.5-inch to 21.5-inch, and it has heavy-duty 3 3/8 caster wheels to it as well. It does come available in 4 different colors of the red, blue, black, and green. Normally retails at $110, and you'll be able to save $25 on that, making it only 85 bucks. And they also added the Icon Creeper, which is rated at 400-pound load capacity. It's a 37-inch creeper. It has high impact PVC frame and 6 smooth rolling casters and a padded headrest. They say it's easy clean. It has dual magnetic tool trays to it as well, down here on the lower part of the side. It has a built-in handle as well. This does normally retail at 90 bucks, and you'll be able to save 22% on that, making it only $70. And the next deal's on the Viking 4-amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger and maintainer. So it's good for both 6-volt and 12-volt lead acid batteries of the HEM gel deep cycle and standard. Well, right now it is on an instant savings of 35 bucks, but it does normally retail at 40. And then during the parking lot sale, you'll be able to save 25% on the normal price. So it's only going to be $30. And the next deal is on the Hardy gloves that they have, the high dexterity performance work gloves. They do say it's touch screen compatible, breathable construction. It even has a built-in brow wipe. They do normally retail at $6.49. You can save 50% on these gloves. It's going to be $3.24. And the next deal is going to be on the 18-inch long neck funnel. by Pittsburgh. It does normally retail at $4.29. And how about saving 55% on that, making it $1.92? They did add the Badland ZXR 5,000 pound UTV Power Sport utility winch. It does have a 50-foot steel rope, a 12-foot wired remote, and it's rated at a 20 foot per minute line speed. And it's IP67 rated. It does normally retail at $180, and you can save $25 on that, making it $155. And they did add the Drummond 750 gallon per hour drill pump, so it works with most drills. If it's a standard garden hose threads, it's self-priming up to 12 feet. It's ideal for aquariums, sinks, and emergency pumping. It does normally retail at $18. And how about saving 44% on that, making it only $10? All right, the next item they added is on the 375-pound anodized aluminum step stool working platform. It does have these different dimensions to it, and it is collapsible for easy storage like they show here on the box. It does normally retail at $38, and you can save 21% on that, making it only $30. And they did add a deal on the titanium plasma cutter. It's the 45 amp one. It's rated at 120 or 240 volts, so it has dual voltage there. Has a built-in air filter and an LED readout. The normal price is $800. Then how about saving $120 on that, making it $680? And the next item they added is on the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 drive 10-piece chrome deep wall socket set in both the SAE and metric. So the SAE sizes do range from 5/16 up to 7/8. The millimeter size ranges from 10 millimeter to 21 millimeter, and they are nice high vis sockets with the engravings of the different sizes. They each do retail normally at $14. And how about saving 35% on these? It's only gonna be $9. And they did add another icon deal. It's on the professional ball end L-shaped hex wrench set. This is a 13 piece in the SAE. They also have the millimeter size also added as well. These are the sizes of the wrenches that are included. It does normally retail at $25, and you'll be able to save 32% on that, making it only $17. They are out of stock on this store for the 13 piece millimeter size. Hopefully your store has them in stock, but they do have a few of them in the SAE here. All right, that's going to be all the items that they did add to the parking lot sale. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan on picking up during this coming week of the parking lot sale. I do respond to all comments. All right, so that's going to conclude this video here at Harbor Freight. If you gained value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.